I be a man, I say, I can't tell you, say, I see one woman. You get what I say? And I see some whole heap of vehicle where it look like them transport all of the females in. I see all big bus too. So, I just have to try another way to get inside. That's the only way we can get the right answer what we are looking for.
Alright, so Tonian, that's how we come in. Whisper, cream and sugar or both?
Both.
Based on the uniform where you say them have on, did it say any branding on it?
No. Just be just full black shirt, black pants, and black hat.
Any weapon?
Nothing visible.
So here we whisper. There is a yardman on the property that the two owner went take out. You going to replace him. Him always have a cover up. Broom and thing, yardman style. When that happens, find a way for letting Tonian. You're not there to observe. You're there to blend in. Based on the information that I get, most of the girls them that are there, drugged up. And them don't come downstairs. They are held into the containers. So you don't really see them on the property. However, whatever drug is placed inside of them lasts for 6 hours. We need the two owner to get in and out safely and report back to me in 1 hour. Understood?
Yes, it's possible.
So first thing in the morning, we're going down to some serious training. Jumping, fighting, the whole works. We need you to be alert, but calm, and very prepared for anything that might happen. This woman needs to be taken down. This is not a drill. This is the real one. So drink some tea and get some rest. The work starts in the morning. Gentle folks, see you in the morning. Please turn off the light.
So you talk to me?
Pastor beat up body now. And I'm not willing to talk. I feel like we can't protect him.
Boss, in a simple match that man. Love him, let them hold him.
Whisper, you're not understanding him. In case the absolute don't work, him are the only one who can bring down that woman here. So we need him to talk. And we have to be paid. Tony Ann, go to your room.
Jaja. She don't take me serious now. Anyways, you know, somebody that believe you when you say him is not enough. Right now, I'm coming like nothing to you know, because he don't want to talk. I want him to talk what the sense. I go there and risk my life to save him. But at the end of the day, we have to pay back for give way. And we can't there and sit down and wait for him. You understand me? I say with patience, you know, but we can't wait for him because girls are missing daily. You see what I say? We have to make a move or something will go. It just like get worse.